So here we have our completed tree. Make sure you save your tree file. Now in Cinema 4D, if you followed the videos in sequence, you still have the snowman project open. The way you can switch between projects in Cinema 4D, go to Window, and at the end, all open projects are here. So tree is checkmarked, meaning it's active. So let's go back to our snowman scene that we made. And the way to bring the tree into this scene is to go to File, Merge Project, then navigate to the tree. You'll notice I have a 001 and 002 because I saved incremental. I'll talk about that later. But navigate to the tree that you made, click Open, and the tree will come in at the origin. So now your mission is to create, start to think about composition and where you want these objects. Remember, when you're moving an object, only move it like one axis at a time. Only grab one axis at a time when you're moving an object around. For the tree, make sure it's not buried in the snow and make sure it's not, floating in the air. And you can position it, and I'll show you what I came up with. And also remember, you can, change your camera angles too, right? Start to think about like where, start to think about the composition that you want at this point. Okay, with the tree selected, I can do a Command C, Command or Control C, and Command or Control V to paste, just like any other application. So it pastes the object directly on top of it, on top of the object, and you can just grab it and pull it to the side and whatever. And again, just grab only one axis at a time. Now if you want to scale the tree, have the tree selected, and you can use the scale tool, or like we did in the previous video, hit the letter T for transform. I'm not touching the object, I'm not touching the handles. If I click, hold, and drag to the left, the object becomes smaller. If I click, hold, and drag to the right, the object will become larger. Now, I want to show you what I did here. I'm going to open recent, and I'm going to open my 001. Here's the compositionally, this is what I'm starting to come up with. So let me hit the render here. So like I'm adjusting the camera angle and the position of the trees, where the horizon line is and stuff like that. So I think this is coming out pretty cool, but so you have to make some aesthetic decisions, and we're going to add color. We're going to add another object into this, a candy cane. Add color, take a picture of it, and then the project will be completed. But anyway, the point, I don't want you to essentially copy this. You don't have to. I mean, you can emulate it if you want to. That's fine. But what I want you to do is start thinking of your composition and the lighting placement of objects. And I'll see you in the next video.